Hey, welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Bordeaux, or welcome if you're new. My name's Leanna, and today we're going to be doing a short swatching video. So I'm going to be starting off with the Model 1's base coat. I did purchase 10 new polygels from Morovan. My dumb self went and purchased a duplicate, so you're only going to see 9 bottles, but whenever I get a new nail extension product, whether it be polygel, gel polish, dip, whatever, I always do a swatch, because one day you'll see my nail room. What I do is that I just look at my swatches and then I decide what I want from there. So I do label all of my swatches, and I actually put the polygel on the underside of the nail, not on top of the swatch, on the underside. So while the base coat is curing, I am going to prep by using the 91% isopropyl alcohol. I also use 70%, and that's a Morovan polygel brush number 6. And what you're going to see me do is that I'm actually going to go through each 9 colors, except for one of them. I forgot to put the number on it. But I will be going through it. I'm going to be doing a swatch for each one of those so that you can see how they look, in case you are interested in purchasing any of them. Like I said, my camera work do not be good, but you know, hopefully with each new video it's going to get better. So yeah, I hope you enjoy these swatches. Also, all of these polygels I only got for 99¢, because Morovan, they always be having some type of flash sale. So whenever I get paid, I just look to see, okay, what colors don't I have, and I just purchase it, because it's like $15-16 with shipping and tax. So I'm like, okay, that's not bad at all. I can do that. That'll be my little bit of excess money, because my eventual goal is to have basically all the Morovan colors, because I actually really like Morovan polygel. I do love Macart polygel, but for right now, even though it is affordable, it's a little bit out of my budget to go and buy each bottle each time. One of the bottles every time is just a little bit out of my budget. So yeah, I probably will be doing maybe bi-weekly, maybe once monthly swatch videos. I think that's going to be a really big thing that I'm going to be doing. Yo, these cameras do not be focusing. Oh my gosh, I use my phone to film. So let me get off of this so that you guys can enjoy the music and you can watch me. So with this one, as you can see, it was a little bit underfilled, so I just had to squeeze it down. And I think there was another bottle that gave me that issue too. So I'm just showing you a little imperfection on the bottle. I want to say that was that's 118. Yeah, the green was so light that it was really hard to see. I want to say that one is shade 119. That's bright yellow. Oh no, that was 118. The yellow and the green is 119. So now I'm just going to be doing the swatches and just molding all the polygel.
So then, why?
And once I finish patting down all the polygel, they are going to be curing for a minimum 120 seconds. I might do it for 180, so in 3 rounds of 60. It just depends on how I feel and what I'm doing at that time. Now that red one, the 188, is actually color changing. It goes from hot to cold. I did not show that. Crap, maybe I should go take a video of it real quick. Nah, I'm good.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves.
Okay, so now I'm just top coating all of the swatches. Once I take those out, I actually will be finished, and that will be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in. Again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll be posting every Sunday and occasionally on Wednesdays. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye-bye.
So then, why?